Hi everyone, if you have been using the RedNOTE app and wondering on how to translate the RedNOTE language into the English, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to translate to English in the RedNOTE app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the RedNOTE app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. And now here you can find the language is not on the English. Now to translate it, tap on to three lines at the top left corner, just right here. Then tap on to the settings patch at the bottom, right here. Now tap again on the settings option, the second one just right here. Now tap on to the first option, which is basically the language. Now tap on it. Then now here you can find the English option. Now tap on it. And now you can see the language has been changed into the English. And that's it. This is how you can translate the RedNOTE language to English. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.